On traffic, line 23563, take out runway 12 for close traffic, Taunton. Clear left, clear right.
Pedals like simulator.
Oh,
so
yeah.
easy.
Very easy pedals. Alright, there's the... Let's focus on the takeoff.
Land. Easy, easy with
Rudder. Full power. Airspeed's alive, everything's in the green. 50. 60, and rotate. Alright, pitch for airspeed. And we're going to turn at 600 feet. On traffic, line 23563, turning left, cross one for 12 ton. Oh, we are far away. This plane flies really far.
different speed.
Up. On traffic, line 23563, turning left down for a 12 ton. Alright, climbing at 1 VI. Oh, we are far. Oh, crap. Alright, so going AT on the manifold, pressure. Alright, actually, yeah, the
90.
What is it?
90, 80, 70. Everything else same as our sky. It's the same.
Alright, so 1100, 95, manifold 17. We can start with the first notch.
First power, remember first power?
Oh, yep.
Power 14, 13, 14.
13 manifold, yep. Okay, first notch.
I will stop where it needs to stop.
On traffic, sky 23563, turning left, base for 12 ton. And rudder, left. Alright, we can level off at 800 here. Oh, you gotta stop. I always keep the power at 13 manifold pressures, that way?
No, just, don't worry about numbers, just gauge. Just like in a Skyhawk.
Okay, because you were talking about numbers earlier.
I reduce if you go at power.
Okay.
Now, just you reduce, first you put it to 13, 14. You put it to, or use the numbers and then just use the gauge you.
Alright, descending, I'm gonna stop.
Just keep slight pitch down.
A notch. Taunton traffic, going 23563, turning final for 12 Taunton.
Oh, are you high, right? A little high with this power?
Oh, okay. And fast. Oh.
Do not pitch up. Keep this pitch.
Okay.
Off. Level off.
Oh.
Most. I think you will get it next.
This plane's very different though, Cessna 172.
Yes and no. Do exactly the same thing. You will end up
Oh, am I doing something differently then?
leveled off. You started leveling off. Like you're slowing down above the trees.
Okay. So, but why?
You got the why? I don't know.
Oh, I didn't do that on the 172. That's just asking. I didn't do that on the 172.
Because you're
Probably.
the 172. Forgiving if you pitch up. You touch down just the same.
Taunton traffic, going 23563, clear of 12 Taunton.